Most first-time authors don't fail because they can't write. They fail because they make a few simple mistakes that stop their books from ever reaching readers. In this video, I'll share the 5 biggest mistakes that new authors make, and more importantly, how to avoid them so you can publish smarter, faster, and with much better results. Sound interesting? Let's dive in. All right, mistake number 1, waiting too long to start. The first mistake is waiting for everything to be perfect before you start writing. New authors spend months researching, second guessing, or just tinkering with ideas. The truth is, your first book doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to get finished. The fastest way to learn publishing is by simply publishing. Once you go through this process, start to finish, you'll understand what works and what doesn't. And that alone will put you way ahead of the people that are still waiting for someday. And now that brings me to mistake number 2, writing without a clear reader in mind. The second mistake is writing for yourself instead of writing for an ideal reader. I know it's tempting to say, I'll just write what I want and hope that people find it and like it. But books actually sell when they solve problems and fulfill desires. Always start by asking, who is my reader? What do they want? What problem am I solving? If you can answer those questions before you write a single word, your book will instantly be more marketable. And now mistake number 3, skipping professional design. The third mistake is treating your cover and formatting as an afterthought. People really do judge a book by its cover. A plain Word doc turned into an ebook with no design is gonna kill your sales. And that's no matter how good the content is. So the fix? Use tools like Canva or ChatGPT to create professional looking covers. And be sure to format properly for Kindle, paperback, and hardcover versions. It doesn't have to cost a fortune, but it does have to look clean and professional. And now mistake number 4, thinking the work ends after publishing. The fourth big mistake is hitting publish and then doing nothing. A lot of authors think Amazon will magically do all of the marketing for them. In reality, publishing is just one step. The real work is getting your book in front of readers through keywords, categories, reviews, and marketing strategies. So the good news is that once you understand the basics, the marketing becomes a repeatable system that you can apply to every book that you publish. And now finally, that brings me to mistake number 5, not building a catalog. The 5th and final mistake is stopping after one book. If you only ever publish one book, you're relying on a single product to carry all of the weight. But the real money in publishing comes from building a catalog. Think of it like Netflix. One show might grab your attention, but what keeps you subscribed is in the library. The same with books. The more you publish, the more trust you build, and then the more sales that you make over time. So to recap, number 1, don't wait forever to start. Number 2, write with a reader in mind. Number 3, make your book look professional. Number 4, don't stop marketing after launch. And number 5, build a catalog, not a one-hit wonder. Avoid these mistakes and you'll be far ahead of most new authors. And if you want a complete system that teaches you how to go from idea to income with books, I cover it all inside my full course. The link is below if you're ready to take your publishing business to the next level. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.